everyone.
Paano?
We're going to show our art. Oh, Irish, come here. Ganyan, dapat airy siya. Hindi, wait lang. Dapat konti lang, nga. Oh. Show them. Show them what you have. Tell them what you have.
I have cinnamon fish.
Ang laki kasi niyan.
Oh, well, how did you make it? What did you use to make it?
We got paper.
Dapat kasi
tape,
abstract lang, bro.
And then pen and then stickers.
Show them while you're talking about it.
And then with this,
Oh, what's that?
it's Poppet.
What's on your, What's on your squishy? What did you put on it?
We put
How did you design your squishy?
stickers.
Oh, show them the stickers. Tell them about your stickers. Really?
I have cinnamon stickers because I like cinnamon.
Okay. How about you, Irish?
I have a caramel because I love caramel.
Okay. Yan,
I
ganyan lang.
want more bubble paper.
Wait lang.
I want to make another one. I want to make another.
Oh, different project naman. Get glue, liquid
I
detergent.
have glue.
Ang bibigyan niya lang yung glue stick. My turn. I have
Ay, garapal na orange na.
squishy. Ganyan nga dapat. Oh, look. It bounces back. Oh, you like that? How about yours? Yeah.
Do you know where my glue is? No. Can you help me find it?
Show on the glue stick.
Naintindihan ko. Naparito lang ako para magpaalam.
Saan ka pupunta?
Hindi ko alam. Sa malayo, bahala na.
Kuya.
Here, glue.
No, not that. Sabi ko na glue stick, oh.
Ano ba?
Dapat yung white glue.
Ay, anong gigawin mo?
So, gumawa
I
ng
only have
slime.
like this. Glue stick.
May breeze kayo. Ayun.
Hindi maaari.
I only have this. A frog. I only have this. And the bear. I only have
We can't use this. We can't use it, baby. We can't. Kasi we need
Sa kapangalan ng lahat.
liquid. Ipi.